Hi guys, it's Ruthie, plant obsessed lady, loving to share my passion for plants and inspiring you to be creative with your plants and gardens. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You know you rock. Today I am super excited to be bringing you a unboxing from Succulent Depot. I got some beautiful Aeoniums from them and I can't wait to share them with you. So let's get started. This is just a small little order I got from them. I think it's mostly Aeoniums. So let's see what I got here. And it's the first time I ordered from them. So, oh, this is a crested piece I can see. I don't know which Aeonium it is. The roots are pretty dry, but it is a crested piece. I don't remember if it was, I don't know which one it was, but it's a crested piece. I will let you guys know the names down below afterwards. Pretty. I don't remember ordering this. It's an Echeveria. I ordered an Echeveria, but got the name of it. So I'm gonna put that there. I'm not sure. You okay, yay? Ooh, an Aeonium. I think this is the kiwi or the sunburst. They're a bit shriveled from shipping. They will perk up afterwards and open up. But I believe that's the Aeonium sunburst. I'm trying to get my Aeonium collection back. Unfortunately, I lost a bunch of them. Mealy bugs. Ooh, this one's a big one. I'll leave that one flat. So okay. So I know I ordered 10 cuttings. They were 10 of these cuttings. I forgot the name of these Aeoniums. And I think it was like $8 or something like that. I'm gonna put those all in one pot. It's difficult for you to see because they're kind of this is up big. I can't wait to open that. I think it was 10 of the cuttings with that, not rooted or anything, for like $10 or $7, $7.50, something like that. And I thought that was a great deal. These are a bunch of those. And these can get really big. So, just gonna put them here. I hope I have enough pots. This is the Aeonium Schwarzkopf, I believe. Black Rose. I have some of these in a pot already, so I will add them to that pot. And a bunch of leaves are falling off. This happens with the Aeoniums, you know, with shipping and stuff, so I'm not surprised. Okay, some more of those rosettes, because I should have 10 altogether. And they will open up. They're just, you know, from the shipping, they're annoyed right now. I think that's everything except this big boy here. Wait to see what it is. So I don't remember what it is. I do not remember what this is. A bouquet of some kind of aeonium. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. And this stem is huge. All right, this is awesome. I'm happy with this alone. Take off some of the dead or the loose leaves. Oh, this is awesome. It's beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to see this open up. I'm excited. So excited. All right, I'm going to go pot these up super quick. I'll be right back. So these are the plants that I got from Succulents Depot. This is a Fiesta cluster. And it is stunning. I am in love with it. Absolutely love it. That was $16. And this piece is huge. I mean, it has a bunch of babies. If I try to count them. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At least 8 babies. These were the cuttings that I got. I think it was 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I put a couple of cuttings in the bottom here. I also got this cluster. This, not cluster, this crested piece, and I believe it's a black rose, a Schwarzkopf crested piece, but I'm not sure. What else did I get? I did get some of these black rose Aeoniums from them, and I don't remember what else. Dragon. It's one of those curly echeverias. I think I need to put it somewhere where it gets more sun so that it can get nice and some nice color. So I'm gonna move it from where it's at, and it does need some watering as well. I also got this, I believe this is the variegated arboreum. And this is the Blushing Beauty. This was the 10 pieces of Blushing Beauty. And I think that is it. But I'm super happy with the order that I got from her. They did great shipping. Everything came in beautifully packaged and safely and quickly. So I'm very happy with the order. And this is just my favorite. Look at that thing. It's just like a bouquet. I love it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post something new. Till next time, let's make this world a more beautiful place, one succulent plant and cacti at a time. Bye.